Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to fix blurry images in Wix so your website looks sharp and professional in 2025. Start by opening your Wix editor and selecting the page with the blurry image. Click on the image, then open the settings or change image panel. First, make sure your image is high resolution, ideally at least 1920 by 1080 pixels for full width sections. If it's a small file, try re-uploading a larger version to keep it crisp. Next, check your image display mode. Choose fit or original size instead of stretch, since stretching lowers image quality. Go to Site Settings, then under Image Quality, set it to high if available. You can also use Wix Studio's built-in media optimization feature to sharpen images automatically. Preview your site to confirm the image now looks clear and detailed. And that's how you fix blurry images in Wix. Simple, effective, and perfect for a clean 2025 website look.